Hi everyone, it's Adele from REEP. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a beautiful autumn leaf hedgehog. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need a printed copy of page 3 of the worksheet, a piece of cardboard no bigger than A4 size, some autumn leaves collected from your garden or from a walk, a glue stick, scissors, a lolly stick, an old button and a black pen. Begin by cutting out the template on page 3. Then trace the shape onto your piece of cardboard and cut that out too, so that you are left with the hedgehog's body. Gather your autumn leaves and stick them one by one onto your cardboard body to make the hedgehog's spines. Just make sure not to stick any on your hedgehog's head. Did you know that at the beginning of 2020, Britain declared hedgehogs as endangered to extinction? That means we are at a real risk of losing them from our environment altogether. Read the information on page 2 to see what you can do to protect these special creatures in your gardens. Glue your button onto the pointed end of the head to give your hedgehog a nose. Then, use your pen to draw on a little beady eye. Finally, glue the lolly stick onto the back of your hedgehog so that you can put it on display. What are you going to use your hedgehog for? You could use it as a pop-up puppet, or put it in a plant pot for decoration, like I'm doing. I hope you enjoy learning more about hedgehogs this week and have fun making your own autumn leaf hedgehog. Share your creations with REEP by tagging us on Instagram and Facebook. Bye!